Hirevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. All right, guys, pretty early in the Tahoe, and about to go see if we can have some exhaust work done. I've got a cutout here, and I'll show you what we're going to do. All right, guys, so here is the cutout, and this is the Y pipe. Essentially, this will be welded in to our normal exhaust system. This will tee off to the side. And then you've got the electric cutout that will actually go in there. Should be this way. Hangs off to the side. And then you got the control unit and all that other good stuff here. Wires and a button to make it run. Now the wiring they sent me was literally wired backwards on here, so it fried it as soon as I put it in. So I had to essentially figure out what was going on. Took it apart, looked at the board, and found the positive and negative on there. Rewired the switch. Now it works. I'm gonna have to extend it. This is the other side. It comes with a V-band clamp. It changes it to V-band. I'm not sure why. I guess to give you some movement on this and turning that whichever way you want. So I guess that's cool. Not that we need that, because we're gonna have exhaust ran out the back, but the gaskets, bolts, all that good stuff is in there. Anyways, that's it. We'll see what happens. So we're here at K&C Muffler this morning, and see if they can get this fixed up for us. It's really a work of art, isn't it? All right, guys, this is it. So I went ahead and had them put a little resonator. It was actually off a Charger or Challenger or something like that, but put a little resonator in with that line so it's not crazy loud. So I got one with some sound and one I can just make completely quiet, which will be pretty cool. So here we go. Oh yeah, perfect. Sounds pretty throaty. So head down the road and I'll let you see what it looks like. Get back to the shop. All right, let's see what it sounds like. Not bad. No crazy drone. That's why I wanted the resonator. Being that this is a SUV, they can drone a pretty good bit. Oh yeah, sounds good when you're getting into it though. Not crazy loud. I could handle it being a little bit louder, but I was really afraid about the drone. But I'll probably leave it open like this all the time, and then have the button make it completely silent back to factory exhaust. So it'd be pretty cool. That sounds pretty dang good. You really can't hear very much on the inside with the windows rolled up going down the road, but on the outside you can hear it pretty good. It obviously quietens down pretty good bit at idle, but pipes look really good. That looks nice. So I did a 2.5 inch cutout, 2.5 inch pipe. The stock one is 2 3/4, but you don't notice it's a slight difference. And with the tips being the same, you really don't notice it there, but the tips look great on there. Adds a little more style to it. I like the way he kind of kicked them down and back a little bit. Instead of the stock just straight out. It looks pretty dang good. This side, obviously just as quiet as it was before. This is the one that actually has some sound. So, let me see if I can catch it from the side here. Oh yeah. Alright guys, this is the exhaust. Got up on the lift, doing our wiring now. And that's what we've got. There's the wire, that's the plug, and we just zip tied it into a safe spot there. The wire runs over to the outside out here. That's it, not attached to anything. Right there. Attach it a few places with that wire, keep it away from drive shafts and hot stuffs. And yeah, the exhaust looks pretty good. And a little resonator pipe going out. That's gonna work. So pretty much done under here. As soon as we get the zip ties on, drop it back down and see if we can finish up some wiring. All right guys, under this side panel here, the wire that comes with is a 12-volt plug for a power supply, which is really dumb to me because I want it wired in. So that wire fried itself anyways, but I ended up cutting it apart and making my own. Tied on a ground right here, and then tied on power to a source in the fuse panel there. So everything works now. All right guys, so this is the control switch. It's got a little cover there for it. It's got lock and unlock. So I'm not sure where I'm at right now. We'll fire it up. So this is quiet. So I press lock, so lock is quiet. I guess lock is closed. Unlock is open. Hey, it worked.